You guys, I have a surprise. What better way to end a Friday than unboxing a mystery package? Okay, we're gonna tear this. What the heck? You guys can see some of it. I don't know what that is. Oh my gosh. Is that right? A pink Papa hoodie. You guys, and it even has the cute back. This is so exciting. I finally got a pink Papa hoodie. I'm so excited, guys. I've been wanting one of these forever. Oh my gosh. So cool. Looks like, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm gonna try it on.